Hello, everyone, and welcome back to ConvoEase, where we make learning English easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. I am feeling wonderful today. The sun is shining, and you know how much I love sunny days. How are you, Emma?
I am very good, thank you. I am actually incredibly excited because today's topic is huge. It's a big topic.
Oh, a big topic? Tell me. My brain is ready to learn.
Today, we are training your brain to speak English directly. We're going to help you stop the constant translating in your head.
Train my brain? That sounds like a serious workout. Is it going to be hard? Aw, I hope not.
Not at all. It's like exercise, but it's easy and fun. We are going to build your English brain piece by piece.
I'm ready. But first, a quick request to our ConvoEase family. If you want to support us, please click that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and please share this with a friend who is also struggling to speak fast. Let's grow our community together. Alex, let's be honest. When you speak English, what is happening in your mind?
Well, I usually think of what I want to say in my first language first. Then I try to translate it word for word into English. It is so slow. It feels like a broken bridge.
I understand. So many students do this, but it is slow and exhausting. It makes the brain work twice as hard. It's like a slow computer.
Exactly. It feels like my brain is just waiting for the right word to load. What is our big, happy goal for today?
Our goal is to think in English. No translating, just direct communication. It's fast, it's natural, and it feels amazing. We start very, very small. One word is okay, but a small sentence is much better for training.
Show me what you mean. Give me an example.
Look, I have a pen. In my head, I don't translate. I just think, this is my pen, or my pen is blue.
So I should do this with everything I see?
Yes, all day long. It makes English normal for you. Let's walk through a morning routine. Alex, you start.
Okay, I wake up, I stretch, and I think, I am awake. The sun is bright.
Good. Then you go to the kitchen.
I think, I am hungry, I want coffee, I open the door. I can almost smell the coffee now.
Perfect. And in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth, the water is cold, I see my face in the mirror, I am very handsome.
You are. See, you are connecting English to your life.
Emma, what about when I am outside?
Great question. Look out the window. What do you see?
I see a green tree, a bird is flying, the sky is blue. That's actually relaxing.
Alex, here is a secret. The thinking shower.
The shower? I only use soap there. That's funny.
When you are in the shower, you are alone. No one is watching. This is the perfect time to plan your day in English.
Like, today I will go to work. I will meet my boss. I will eat biryani for lunch.
Exactly. Your brain is relaxed in the shower, so the words come out easily.
I will try it. My shower will be my English class. I am washing my hair. The water is warm.
You can also do this when you go to the supermarket. Think about the things you need.
At the market? That might be fun. These apples are red. I need some milk. This bread looks fresh.
Exactly. You are using English for real things you need to buy.
This chocolate is expensive. I will buy the small one. Like that?
Yes, it keeps your brain active in English without opening a book. This is English coming in through your ears and eyes.
English food. What is the best diet for a beginner? That's funny.
You need easy English. This lets your brain hear the music of English.
I love that. Should I listen to songs?
Yes, find simple pop songs. When the words repeat, it's fun and easy. Repetition is good.
Like, I love you like a love song, baby. I know that one.
Exactly. And watch videos about your hobbies. If you like cooking, watch a chef.
They say, I cut the tomato, while they actually cut it. That is easy to understand.
Yes, a happy brain learns more. If it's interesting, it's not boring. Another secret is your social media. Start following English creators for things you like.
I like funny cat videos.
Then follow an English cat page. Instead of your language, you will hear cute kitten.
That's smart. My TikTok can also be my teacher.
Exactly. And use English subtitles when you watch movies. Don't use your first language. That is like cheating.
You caught me. I always use my own language subtitles.
Ah, it's okay. But English subtitles help your eyes and ears work together. It's double training.
That makes sense. I will try it tonight. Maybe a cartoon?
Yes, cartoons are perfect. The English is simple and very clear.
But sometimes I feel like I am too slow. My friends speak so fast.
Don't compare yourself, Alex. Every flower grows at its own speed.
That is a beautiful thing to say, Emma. I feel much better now.
Good. Because when you are happy, your English brain opens up.
Then I will stay happy all day. My brain is open for business.
Now, let's talk about forgetting words. It happens to everyone.
Sometimes I see a door, but my brain just goes blank.
Try secret number 2, the labeling stick. Write names on small papers and stick them on things.
Like writing door and sticking it on the door?
Yes, every time you look at it, your brain sees the English word. No hard work.
My house will be full of English labels. Fridge, bottle, table.
And if you are alone, speak to yourself. It's safe and private.
People will think I'm crazy. They will look at me.
Do it in your room or the shower. Try the mirror secret. Look at yourself and talk.
The mirror? Hello, Alex. You are learning English today. That's funny.
Yes, your ears need to hear your voice. It builds confidence.
Alex, what is the one thing you use every day?
My phone.
I use it for hours. That's funny.
Change your phone language to English. It's a huge secret.
What? No, that is scary. I will not understand anything.
Don't be afraid. You know where the buttons are. It's a free lesson every minute.
You are right. My brain already knows where the buttons are.
Exactly. And secret number 3, the 5-minute story. Before you sleep, tell a story about your day to your pillow.
To my pillow? Pillow, today I went to the market. I bought apples.
Yes, it helps you connect sentences.
Today I was happy. Now I am tired. Good night, pillow. That's funny.
Emma, will my brain change by tomorrow? No, Alex. Learning is slow. You must be patient and kind to your brain. Hello, brain. I am kind to you. Take your time. Just do 10 or 15 minutes every day. Small steps are better. And what if I make a mistake? I will feel bad. Mistakes are normal. They mean you are learning. Just say, oh, okay, and try again. Be brave. I feel so much better. My English brain is definitely growing. Before we go, we have homework. I love homework. Tell us in the comments, what do you do to train your brain? Do you listen to music? Do you talk to yourself? We want to read your tips. And one more thing. Look around you right now. Describe one thing in the comments in English.
Like, I see a blue chair. We will reply to your comments.
Thank you for joining us on ConvoEase. Remember, you are doing amazing. Don't be hard on yourself. English is a beautiful journey, and we are walking with you. Stay positive, stay curious, and most importantly, keep smiling.
That was so sweet, Emma. See you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing, my friends. See you soon.